The only museum of its kind in the Americas? Where? Hola amigos, hello friends, from Cozumel by ferry to Playa del Carmen's 3D Museum of Wonders. Prepare to enter the impossible. The 3D Museum of Wonders, Museo 3D de las Maravillas en español, in Playa del Carmen is an interactive optical illusion gallery of large-scale painted 3D murals and scenes designed for visitors to pose with and create immersive photos. The museum uses trompe-l'oeil painting to turn 2D murals into striking 3D illusions from specific viewing angles, designed for hands-on interaction and photos. The visit is self-guided, and staff photographers are available to help you find the perfect angle and pose. So from Cozumel, you're going to take a quick ferry ride from Cozumel over to Playa and take a 10-minute or less walk to the museum. It's 700 pesos to enter per adult, 600 for children, and if you are from the state of Quintana Roo, it is half price on Sundays. Pro tips: wear clothes you don't mind getting low to the ground in. Some photos require sitting or lying down. Let the staff photographer shoot the hallway scenes for the best results. Arrive early to beat the crowds. We went shortly after closing on a Sunday and shared the entire museum with just one couple. Plan 45 to 90 minutes at the museum, depending on how long you think you'll need to take fabulous photos. Respect the art. Don't step on areas not meant for feet. And don't forget your camera or phone. It's essential. If you're enjoying this video and our escape to the 3D world, make sure to subscribe, ring that notification bell, and let us know in the comments if you have a favorite museum. Make sure to share and subscribe because that helps us continue to share the magic with you. We hope you enjoyed this walk through the 3D Museum of Wonders here in Playa del Carmen. It was a lot of fun, and definitely use one of the guides here to help you with the perfect photo opportunities within the museum. I love that we finally found a place that is totally for film, photography, and videography. Adios amigos, goodbye friends, viaja con magia.